The top 5 best Sous Vide recommendation. Let's get started. Recommendation number 1. ANOVA Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker Nano. The ANOVA Precision Cooker Nano makes it easy to achieve professional-level cooking results at home. To use, simply attach the cooker to any water-filled pot, put your food in a sealable bag, and set the time and temperature. The ANOVA Precision Cooker Nano heats and circulates the water to a precise temperature, cooking food to an exact temperature which creates maximum tenderness and moisture retention without worry of overcooking. The ANOVA Precision Cooker Nano connects to your phone, so you can cook amazing meals by the touch of a button. Spend less time tied to the kitchen by relying on the app to notify you when your food is ready. Recommendation number 2. ACCU SLIMAC C/Sous Vide Precision Cooker. The ACCU Slim Sous Vide Immersion Circulator is designed for the chef who wants to create restaurant-quality dishes at home. With precision heat to hit target temperatures every time, create nutritious and delicious meals. The motor is powerful yet quiet, and automatically stops when removed from water. It's durable and easy to maintain, with a removable stainless steel skirt and full waterproof case. Recommendation number 3. Sous Vide Cooker INKBIRD Wi-Fi Sous Vide. Connect the Sous Vide to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network via free app, INKBIRD Pro. Then you can SCT and monitor the Sous Vide machine on your phone wherever you're. Can set your family members as administrators on the app if you're willing to share the device monitoring data with them. Support max 100 administrators at a time. The immersion circulator supports timer max 100 hours and temperature settings. Temperature range 32 to 194. 0 to 90. Precisely set the water to a preferred temperature. Recommendation number 4. BREVILLE C10001 JOULE Sous Vide. JOULE is the smallest, most powerful Sous Vide tool available. It heats water faster than any other immersion circulator or precision cooker and holds the temperature with absolute accuracy to ensure perfect results every time. Controlled exclusively by a groundbreaking app that empowers Sous Vide veterans and novices alike, JOULE gives you the freedom to cook from anywhere. Maximum water temperature 208 degrees Fahrenheit. Recommendation number 5. INKBIRD Sous Vide Precision Cooker. The Wi-Fi Sous Vide Cooker only support 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, but once connected with the Sous Vide machine with your router via app INKBIRD Pro, it could be checked and controlled anywhere you're. This Sous Vide Precision Cooker keeps a homogeneous temperature for up to 20 L of water even at full 1000 W output, ultra quiet with less than 40 dB noise at one end. This Sous Vide cooker features a wide temperature range of 77 to 110 degrees, 2599 degrees within 0.1 degrees accuracy, and the max timer setting of 99 hours.